I also wanted to emphasize to the whole world to understand that while we are targeting military objectives, military targets, regime targets, this evil regime in Iran, the Iranian regime is targeting civilians, civilian population, and all the casualties we faced during these 2 weeks of confrontation. As much it is the same thing like during the days of Operation Rising Lion, all without an exception are civilians from the Iranian missiles. This is of course a war crime. This regime, not for the first time, committing war crimes, and the whole world must see. I will later on will also drive a little in order to see the damages that they caused to the mosque in this village, and this is something that everyone should see.